Oh, bro, I literally rushed to get this thing. If you see me sweating hard, just know that this was the reason. Oh, God, I'm so tired. New package. This time I'm very excited about this particular package. I don't want to spend too long just keeping this. I'm waiting for the perfect time to unbox it. I'm going to unbox it as fast as possible. I just hope my mic is working. I think so. It should be. One of the most exciting packages or things that I've gotten aside my MacBook. I think my MacBook was one of the most important or most exciting purchases I've made. This was a similar feeling, but maybe not as much as the MacBook, but similar feeling. What do we have? Maybe from the title you guys can tell, but shout out to, do I even have to shout out anybody? So shout out to Share Shop Ship. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, they came in clutch. Package seems a little bit destroyed in a way. This came from the US. What is this? This is small. It's pretty tiny actually. I don't know why it's not sealed. Why is it not sealed? Why is it not sealed to share shop ship? Why is it not sealed? I know it's normally sealed. So for the past couple of months, paperwork as usual. Ever since I got the camera, the Sony ZV-E10, I've been using the default lens, the kit lens. This time we have the 30mm F1.4. I was going to get the 16mm, but I did some research and realized that the 16mm is basically for people who want to do a lot more of vlogging. And I know I'm not going to be doing vlogging, I'm going to do more of this. So I decided to dig in more and realized that the 30mm is the best, especially when it comes to like street photography and products photography. In my case, product reviews. So, and this will blur the background a ton. I don't even know how to get it out of the box. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. My first. It's so light. It's super light. And it's so small. Damn. It's not as light as I thought, but it's actually light. This does not feel new. I'll not lie. I don't know. It's new, but I just have this kind of feeling. Ooh! Look at this bad boy. This feels like quality. I'm like, bruh, this is quality glass. I don't want to make mistakes and let this fall on the floor. My light is pretty close, it's not far, so you guys want to see this. It is premium glass. It's so shiny. No speck of dust on this thing. Can be clumsy today. I don't know what this is called, to be honest. I have no idea what this is called. I'll just probably pop it somewhere here so you guys know what it is. This is for the lens to, I think, block some external lights from like the sides. And no, I've never done this before. That's what she said. This is my first ever lens. I don't even think I put this thing properly. It's looking weird. Okay, yeah, that's better. Enough talk. I'll switch over to the lens so you guys see exactly what it looks like. So, ooh, okay. So the issue now is that it's a little bit punched in because this is 30mm. The other one was 16mm. So 16 is like wide, 30 is like straightforward. But yeah, I love this. It looks sharp. I don't know. Is it just me? Oh, I haven't changed the settings yet. It's still on f3.5. So let me change. So this is, bruh, just look at this. Now I'm so happy. I had to dim down the lights and it's still pretty bright, bro. I had to dim down my light to like the lowest, and it's still telling me it's overexposed because of that f1.4. So like the background is like pretty blurry. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like extremely blurry thing. Where I tried to show you guys something. You guys can see how that looks, yeah? Now this is massive. I'm very happy with this. I think I've been looking for a comparison to show between the kit lens, the Sony ZV-E10 kit lens, and the 30mm. I haven't seen any on YouTube. Maybe I haven't searched properly, but in case you're looking for that, at least we have one now. This is f1.4. This is this lets in a lot of light. This is the lowest ISO I can go to. This is like at ISO 500. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm shooting in S-Log 2, probably, if that's the reason. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this lens. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, just let's look at that. I'm so happy, bro. Let me try something again. I was like telling you about the iPhone 11, showing you the bokeh, how thin the phone is. And the focusing is not that bad. People complain about the focusing a lot, but it's really not that bad. I think, yeah, this is a pretty decent distance away from the camera. This is pretty nice. I love this. Let me know what you guys think. Sigma 30mm F1.4 lens for Sony E mounts. Yeah, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. No.